Imagine having a junior engineer available 24 hours a day. An engineer who never gets tired, never complains about deadlines, and can instantly read technical standards, summarize specification sheets, answer engineering questions, draft reports, and even help create content for your engineering projects. Now imagine building that engineer yourself without writing a single line of code. If you're a mechanical engineer and you've heard terms like AI agent, generative AI, ChatGPT, or automation and thought, "That's for software engineers, not for me," then this video is going to change your perspective completely. Today, I'll show you how mechanical engineers can build their own AI engineering agent using simple drag and drop tools. No Python, no programming, no computer science degree required. By the end of this video, you'll have a working AI assistant capable of helping with engineering tasks such as analyzing technical documents, answering design questions, summarizing standards, and automating repetitive work. Let's get started. Before building anything, let's understand what an AI agent actually is. Most people think ChatGPT and AI agents are the same thing, but they're not. When you ask ChatGPT a question, it gives you an answer and the conversation ends there. An AI agent goes one step further. It doesn't just answer questions, it takes actions. Think of it as the difference between a consultant and an engineer. A consultant gives advice. An engineer takes that advice and performs the work. An AI agent can search the internet, read files, analyze documents, access databases, send emails, create reports, and perform multiple tasks automatically to achieve a goal. As mechanical engineers, we already use tools every day. CAD software helps us design. FE software helps us analyze. PLM systems help us manage data. AI agents are simply another engineering tool. Imagine uploading a 200-page drill rig service manual and asking the agent to identify all hydraulic maintenance procedures. Or giving it a steel standard and asking it to summarize the important mechanical properties. Or asking it to compare different materials for a boom structure. That's what makes AI agents powerful. At their core, every AI agent consists of three components. First, the brain. This is the AI model, such as ChatGPT. Second, the tools. These allow the agent to perform actions such as web searches, document analysis, or sending emails. Third, the goal. This is the task you want the agent to accomplish. Brain, tools, and goal. That's all an AI agent really is. Now let's build one. The best part is that we don't need to write any code. We'll use a platform called N8N. Think of N8N as the SolidWorks of automation. Instead of creating mechanical assemblies, you're creating intelligent workflows. The platform provides a visual drag and drop interface where you connect different components together, much like connecting hydraulic valves and actuators in a circuit. Open your browser and go to n8n.io. Create a free account using the cloud version. There is no installation required. Once you log in, you'll see a blank workspace. This is where we'll build our AI engineering agent. Every machine requires a start signal. Similarly, every workflow requires a trigger. Click Add Node and search for Chat Trigger. This means whenever a user sends a message, the workflow starts running. Think of this as pressing the Start button on a machine. Next, click the plus button and search for AI agent. This is the brain of our system. The AI agent node needs an AI model. We'll connect it to GPT-4 through OpenAI. To do this, create an OpenAI account and obtain an API key. Paste the key into N8N, and the AI brain is ready. Now comes the most important step. We need to define the role of our AI agent. Inside the system prompt, enter the following. You are a senior mechanical engineering assistant with expertise in machine design, structural steel design, welding and fabrication, hydraulic systems, mining equipment, GD&T, manufacturing processes, and engineering standards. Your role is to provide technically accurate explanations, summarize engineering documents, compare design alternatives, and assist engineers in solving problems. Notice something important here. We didn't write code. We simply described the role in plain English. That's how modern AI systems are configured. Now let's make the agent smarter. Add another node and search for Tavily Search or SERP API. These tools allow the agent to search the internet in real time. Without web access, the AI can only rely on its training data. With web access, it can find updated standards, material properties, industry news, and technical references. Connect this search tool to the AI agent node. Congratulations! Your AI agent now has a brain and a toolset. Let's test it. Ask the agent. Compare N10025S 355 steel and ASTM A572 grade 50 for a welded boom structure. Within seconds, the agent will search relevant information and provide a detailed engineering comparison. You have just built an engineering assistant without writing a single line of code. Let's see something even more useful. Imagine receiving a 150-page specification document for a new drilling machine project. Normally, an engineer might spend several hours reading and extracting requirements. Instead, upload the document to the agent and ask, summarize the critical design requirements, operating conditions, material specifications, safety requirements, and performance targets. Within minutes, the agent can generate a structured summary. This alone can save hours every week. Now imagine uploading a hydraulic schematic and asking, list possible causes of slow boom lifting. The agent can analyze the information and provide a structured troubleshooting approach. Or upload a failure investigation report and ask, identify possible root causes and recommend corrective actions. These are practical engineering applications that can immediately improve productivity. Let me share a few more ideas. First, material selection assistant. Ask the agent to compare different steels, aluminum alloys, or wear-resistant materials for a particular application. Second, technical standards assistant. Instead of manually searching through hundreds of pages, ask the agent to explain specific requirements from ISO, N, ASTM, or ASME standards. Third, failure analysis assistant. Describe a cracked weld, bearing failure, or hydraulic issue and ask the agent to identify possible causes. Fourth, engineering report generator. Provide test results and ask the agent to create a first draft of a technical report. Fifth, engineering research assistant. Ask the agent to gather information about new technologies, mining equipment, electrification trends, or automation systems. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to Design Hub Heavy Machinery. Now I have a question for you. If you could build one AI agent for your engineering work tomorrow, what would it do? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.